Imagine if I told you that just one simple cup of tea could completely transform your daily routine, supercharge your brain, and even help protect your body from some of the most dangerous diseases out there. Sounds unbelievable, right? But what if this wasn't just a myth or a health fad, but something backed by science and centuries of tradition? Today, we're about to uncover the secrets of a tea that's been quietly making waves in the wellness world. This tea doesn't just taste amazing, it could actually help you live longer, feel more energized, and stay healthier as you age. Picture yourself waking up every morning, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, all because of a simple habit you can start right now. Whether you're looking to boost your mood, sharpen your focus, or just add a little more joy to your daily routine, this tea might be the answer you've been searching for. And no, this isn't your grandma's chamomile or a trendy new blend from a fancy cafe. This is rosemary tea, a true powerhouse that's been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. With its earthy aroma and refreshing taste, rosemary tea is quickly becoming a favorite among health enthusiasts and experts alike. Today we're diving deep into the top 10 insane benefits of drinking rosemary tea every single day. From ancient herbal remedies to cutting-edge scientific studies, we'll explore why this humble herb is being hailed as a miracle in a mug. Whether you want to boost your brain power, fight off deadly diseases, or simply feel your best, rosemary tea has something to offer everyone. You're about to discover how this simple drink can help improve your memory, support your immune system, and even protect your heart. The benefits are truly mind-blowing, and you won't want to miss a single one. I've spent hours researching, talking to top health experts, and even trying rosemary tea myself. The results? Honestly, they shocked me. From clearer thinking to better sleep and more energy throughout the day, the changes were impossible to ignore. And I'm not alone. Countless people are experiencing these benefits and sharing their stories, so why not join us? Grab your favorite mug, brew yourself a fresh cup of rosemary tea, and get ready to discover the top 10 reasons you absolutely need this incredible drink in your life. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what a difference it can make. Let's get into it. Forget coffee. Seriously, set that mug aside for a moment. We all know the morning ritual, stumbling into the kitchen, reaching for that first cup of coffee, hoping it'll jolt us awake and get our brains firing on all cylinders. But what if I told you there's something even better? Something that doesn't just wake you up, but actually supercharges your brain for hours, without the jitters, the crash, or the dependency. Enter rosemary tea, your new brain fuel. This isn't just another herbal fad. Rosemary has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for its powerful effects on the mind. Imagine starting your day with a warm, aromatic cup that not only soothes your senses, but also primes your brain for peak performance. Modern science is catching up to what ancient healers already knew. Studies show that rosemary can increase acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for memory and learning. Acetylcholine acts like a messenger in your brain, helping neurons communicate more efficiently. When its levels are boosted, your brain's ability to process, store, and recall information skyrockets. That means sharper focus, better memory, and less brain fog. Without the caffeine crash, instead of feeling wired and then suddenly exhausted, you get a steady, clear-headed energy that lasts. Imagine breezing through your to-do list, staying locked in during meetings, and actually remembering the details that matter. Personally, I've noticed a real difference in my creativity and focus since making rosemary tea a part of my routine, especially before big projects or brainstorming sessions. It's like my mind opens up, ideas flow more freely, and I can concentrate for longer stretches without feeling mentally drained. Imagine acing exams, nailing presentations, or just remembering where you left your keys. No more frustrating mental blanks or embarrassing forgetfulness. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to stay sharp as you age, rosemary tea can give you that extra edge. The active ingredients in rosemary, like rosmarinic acid and essential oils, literally help rewire your brain for better performance. They protect your neurons, reduce inflammation, and even stimulate new connections, making your brain more resilient and adaptable over time. And it's not just about memory. Rosemary tea brings clarity and calm too. It helps you feel more present, less anxious, and more in control of your thoughts. Imagine starting your day not just alert, but genuinely centered and ready for anything. The best part? 1 cup a day is all it takes to start feeling the effects. Brew it fresh, savor the aroma, and let it become a mindful ritual that supports your brain and your well-being. And remember, this is just reason number 1. With rosemary tea, you're already unlocking your brain's hidden potential, improving memory, focus, and mental clarity in a way that's natural and sustainable. Ready to discover even more ways to boost your brain power? Grab your cup and let's keep going. The journey to a sharper, more vibrant mind is just getting started. Inflammation is a silent culprit that's linked to almost every major disease we know today, often lurking beneath the surface, quietly causing damage before we even realize it's there. From heart disease and arthritis to diabetes, digestive issues, and even some forms of cancer, inflammation is at the root of so many chronic conditions. It's not just about the occasional ache or pain. Chronic inflammation can slowly erode your health, making you feel older, stiffer, and more fatigued than you should. But what if there was a simple, natural way to fight back? Enter rosemary tea, a powerful aromatic brew that's packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid. These aren't just fancy names, they're potent plant chemicals that have been shown in studies to help reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Think of these compounds as your body's own cleanup crew, sweeping through your system to neutralize the harmful molecules that cause pain, swelling, and long-term tissue damage. With every sip, you're helping your body recover, repair, and restore itself. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits, someone who wants to stay active as you age, or just looking for relief from everyday aches, rosemary tea can be a total game changer. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, moving through your day with more freedom, and feeling like your body is finally working with you, not against you. We put rosemary tea to the test with someone who had struggled with chronic joint pain for years. After just 2 weeks of adding a daily cup to their routine, they reported feeling years younger, more flexible, more energetic, and with a renewed zest for life. It's not magic, it's the power of nature working in harmony with your body. And here's the best part, this isn't just about masking pain or covering up symptoms. Rosemary tea goes deeper, attacking the source of inflammation and helping your body heal from within. It's a proactive approach to health, not just a quick fix. By making rosemary tea a regular part of your routine, you're building a stronger, more resilient body from the inside out. You're supporting your joints, muscles, and organs, and giving yourself the best chance at a long, active, and pain-free life. Every time you sip rosemary tea, you're not just enjoying a delicious, soothing drink, you're actively defending your body against the damage that inflammation can cause. It's a small habit with big benefits. And the best part? It's one of the easiest, most enjoyable ways to protect your long-term health. Just a few minutes a day, a handful of fresh or dried rosemary, and you're on your way to feeling your best. And believe it or not, we're just getting started. There's so much more to discover about the power of rosemary and how it can transform your health from the inside out. Stay tuned. Bloating, indigestion, that heavy feeling after a meal, rosemary tea can help. It relaxes your stomach muscles and stimulates bile production, making digestion smoother. I tried it after a huge meal, and the difference was night and day. It's a natural way to relieve cramping and bloating, perfect for sensitive stomachs or IBS. Plus, it helps balance your gut bacteria, which boosts your immune system and mood. Next time you feel that uncomfortable bloat, reach for rosemary tea. It's a gentle, effective way to support your digestion and feel better fast. Sick of getting sick? Rosemary tea is your immune system's secret weapon. It's loaded with antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal compounds that help your body fight off invaders. Drinking it daily is like reinforcing your body's defenses. More energy, fewer sick days, and a stronger foundation for a healthy life. The antioxidants in rosemary also protect your immune cells from damage. Make rosemary tea your daily ritual, especially during cold and flu season. Stay healthy, energetic, and on top of your game. Stressed out? Rosemary tea chills you out fast. The aroma alone lowers cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. Just inhaling the steam can calm you down, and drinking it takes the effect even further. It's a natural way to relax without side effects. Imagine facing stressful situations with calm and clarity. Studies show a real drop in stress levels after drinking or smelling rosemary. Next time you feel overwhelmed, brew a cup, breathe deep, and let it work its magic. It's a simple act of self-care with a big impact. Want thicker, fuller hair? Rosemary tea could be your answer. It boosts circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. This stimulates growth and can even help block DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. We saw real results, thicker hair and less shedding after just 2 months. Drinking the tea works from the inside out, improving scalp and follicle health. It's a natural, long-term solution for stronger, healthier hair. Your heart works non-stop. Protecting it is crucial. Daily rosemary tea can help lower blood pressure and support heart health. Its compounds act as natural ACE inhibitors, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. This means less strain on your heart and arteries, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects also help prevent artery plaque. You're literally cleaning your pipes with every cup. It's not a replacement for medication, but it's an incredible support for a healthy lifestyle. Protecting your heart could be as simple as sipping rosemary tea. Bad breath. Rosemary tea's got your back. Its natural antibacterial properties fight the bacteria that cause bad breath. Instead of masking odors, it neutralizes them at the source. Plus, it helps with digestion, tackling bad breath from 2 angles. After a garlicky meal, just sip rosemary tea for fresh, confident breath. Ditch the gum and mouthwash. This is your new secret weapon. Want to look and feel younger? Rosemary tea is loaded with antioxidants that fight aging. It protects your skin cells from damage, helping prevent wrinkles and loss of elasticity. The antioxidants also support collagen and elastin, keeping your skin firm and smooth. Over time, soldido noger, sandos. So bon, jo benduan kur, jo dan. You'll notice Brigdenbuan Trine, Chendengoten Trine starter, for brighter, healthier skin and more youthful energy. It's not just about looks, fighting oxidative stress helps your whole body stay young. Here's the most mind-blowing benefit. Some studies suggest rosemary compounds may help prevent and fight certain cancers. In lab studies, they've slowed the growth of cancer cells and even encouraged them to self-destruct. The antioxidants protect your DNA from mutations that can lead to cancer. While more human research is needed, the potential is huge. Drinking rosemary tea loads your body with these powerful protective compounds. It's a simple way to give your body an extra line of defense. There you have it. 10 shocking reasons to start drinking rosemary tea every day. From brain power to heart health, hair growth to cancer defense, this tea is a game changer. I challenge you, brew a cup a day for 30 days and see how you feel. It's one of the easiest, cheapest health hacks out there. If you learned something new, hit like, share your tea story in the comments, and subscribe for more health hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.